नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि समीउल अलीम मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अम्मा बाद। Happy New Year to all old and young, and to all my students, and to all my spiritual daughters, mothers and sisters. And along with it, it will be translated the word Happy New Year. If we translate from English to Arabic, it will be translated with the word of Mabrukum bil Amil Jadid. If we translate from English to Persian language, it will be translated with the word of Saleh Naw Mubarak. And from English to Urdu will be translated with the word of Naya Saal Mubarak Ho. And from English to Punjabi will be translated with the word of Nama Saal Mubarak Ho. I have only power of these four languages. I hope that my video will be liked by you. If my video has been liked by you, then subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as follow for my Facebook page and follow on my TikTok account and Instagram etc. Subhana Rabbika Rabbil Izzati Amma Yasifun wa Salamun alal Mursaleen walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.